Everybody, welcome back. So if you saw my previous video on some of the things, or videos on some of the things I got from Arms of America, they ran some pretty sweet deals around the Black Friday, Cyber Monday time frame. And one of those things that they had were some Romanian battlefield condition or battlefield pickup Romanian mags. And I bought 6 of them. They had them for the price of $8.99 each. I think they're more than that now, but some Romanian mags to go with your Romanian AKs or some of your kits or whatever for that price. We'll find out if it was worth it. They ship pretty quick. Fortunately, there's a hole in my box and I don't know why, but without further ado, let's check it out so that you guys can kind of know what to expect if you were to be so inclined to order the same condition mags from Arms of America. Invoice was right on top. I'll be blurring that one out. Let's check it out, because I am very curious. Sometimes when you order larger quantities of mags, they tend to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So you really never know what to expect in those instances, just like I have no clue what to expect in this instance. It already looks like, though, that I've got one that's a little bit of a problem child looking mag, possibly 2, but let's find out. These are definitely battlefield condition. Let's just kind of lay these out on the table so you guys can see them. I'll try to do views from both sides. Okay, so there is side number 1, and this one's got quite a bit of rust on it. Not real bad. This one has a little bit of rust. This one has a bent floor plate, which I'm sure I can take that apart and bend it back. Let's flip them over to the other side. Once again, this one has a lot of surface rust. Looks like it, like scaling, like it just got wet. Same scenario with this, except this one got some up there on the feet, on the locking lug, as well as some rust there on the bottom. Once again, these are battlefield condition. I don't expect these things to be gorgeous. It's not going to happen. There's the other side. You guys can zoom in on the video if you want to, just to get a better view of these. We'll start off with the first one. It is rack numbered, which is kind of interesting. A little bit of rust on the feed lips, a little bit of rust right here on the locking lug, but it still has a very good, strong, stout spring. This one is probably the worst looking one out of the whole bunch. And believe it or not, I've actually got some that, you got some definite pitting going on there. I've actually got some that do look worse than this one. It's very dry, as you can tell. That's probably why it's rusted. But the max, or the follower and spring, still works very good in it. Let's check this one out. Once again, looks like it got dry and got pretty rusty. Definitely well worn. A little bit of rust here on the feed lip, a little bit of rust on the locking lug here. Nothing terrible. You can tell this one's definitely been used. You can see that follower, it's got a lot of scratches on it. Good, strong, stout spring. This one is probably the best looking one out of the whole bunch. I don't see any rust. It has a 16 and a 2, it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but has just a tiny amount of rust right here on the feed lip. Good, strong spring. Now, I believe these were I think these were guaranteed to function on their website. It just may not look the prettiest. Once again, this is that one with the bent floor plate, but we can take that out and bend it back. Once again, you can tell that one's been used quite a bit, judging by the scratches on that follower. Good, strong, stout spring. Then you've got this one, which is probably in between the nicest and the worst, I would say, because you do have the presence of a little bit of surface rust in different areas. Floor plate is not bent. Tiny amount of rust in here, but good strong stout spring. I mean, all in all, I think they look pretty nice for $9. Will they clean up? Yep. Are they perfect? Nope. Not at all. I didn't expect them to be. But I wanted to get them just to see what I could expect in terms of battlefield condition Romanian mags, because I do have, if you guys go back and reference the cards, I do have a decent number of MD63s and MD65s as far as those kits are concerned. Eventually one day I'll get around to putting those together, but I wanted some legit Romanian mags to go with my Romanian AKs, so that's why I got these. And battlefield condition doesn't bother me a bit. My personal opinion, especially mags like this, really adds to the character, just completes that look, especially if you got a well-worn AK where most of the bluing's worn off or the finish is worn off. I just think that's kind of cool. But anyway, it's not everybody's cup of tea, totally get that. But my intent of this video was just to show you guys what you could expect if you ordered battlefield condition Romanian mags from Arms of America. Now I know they're not $8.99 now, they're probably more like $11.99. I don't remember. I'll put the price up here after I do this video and go back and edit it, if they still have them. And just let you guys know, but the whole purpose of this was just to kind of give you an idea of what you could expect in terms of condition. Once again, as always, your mileage may vary. Mine could have ended up looking better than most. These are actually better than that. I think the 6-pack of mags I got from Centerfire Systems back in the day, card up here. But it's totally fine. It's not going to bother me a bit. Anyway, I want to thank you to my subscribers. I want to thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Let me know if you guys got some of these, or what kind of cool mags you've got. Any deals that you guys have seen recently. Always welcome that kind of stuff. Just like Legend of Draco queuing me up on the Type 54 Tokarev. That was a great deal, by the way, and a beautiful looking pistol. Thanks to him for letting me know about that, so I could snatch one up and show you guys. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.